Sri Lankan Batik is a traditional form of textile art that involves wax-resist dyeing on cloth. The technique is believed to have originated in Indonesia and was later introduced to Sri Lanka by Indonesian traders. Sri Lankan Batik has its own unique characteristics, blending local designs, motifs, and color schemes. After dyeing, the fabric is boiled or treated with solvents to remove the wax. This reveals the colorful design underneath, with the wax-resisted areas remaining in their original color or becoming lighter depending on the dyeing process.